Squats, they're everywhere. From elite athlete workouts to beginner fitness routines, there's one movement you'll always find: the squat. Simple, powerful, and surprisingly complex under the surface. The squat is more than just a way to train your legs. It's a movement that connects the way your entire body functions. If you caught our first video in this series, you already know why squats are so popular. That video got tons of views, and for good reason. Squats actually work. But what happens if you go a step further? What if you did squats every single day? Would your strength skyrocket? Could your mobility and flexibility improve? Might your posture get better or your energy levels rise? And are there any downsides to be aware of, like injury or overtraining? In today's video, we're diving deep into the science and benefits of daily squatting. We'll explore how squats impact your muscles, joints, hormones, metabolism, coordination, posture, and more. Whether you're training for performance, longevity, or just to feel stronger in your daily life, this information could seriously change how you train forever. Make sure to watch until the end, because some of the benefits might surprise you. We'll also answer the big question: is it really safe to squat every day? Let's get started. 1. Squats are a natural, functional movement. First things first, squats are one of the most natural human movements. You squat every single day. When you sit down, stand up, pick something off the floor, tie your shoes, or get in and out of a car. Unlike many gym exercises that isolate a single muscle group, squats train your body to move as a complete system. And here's what makes this so important. Because squats mirror real-life movement patterns. They're safe and functional, especially when done with proper form and control. In fact, when done body weight or with light loads, squats are often used in physical therapy and rehabilitation programs to help people regain mobility, strength, and balance after injury. Even weighted squats, when performed with good technique, carry a low risk of injury compared to many other resistance exercises. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that weighted squats increased bone mineral density in postmenopausal women, particularly in the spine and hips. It's crucial for aging populations at risk of osteoporosis. So squats are more than a gym move. They a foundational pattern that trains your body for life. Adding them to your daily routine reinforces that natural pattern, helping your body stay mobile, functional, and pain-free as you age. 2. Squats trigger powerful hormonal responses. Now here's something that might surprise you. Squats are a hormonal powerhouse. Squatting activates large muscle groups, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. This full-body demand stimulates the release of key anabolic hormones, like testosterone, human growth hormone. These hormones play a major role in muscle repair, fat metabolism, and recovery. When you squat daily, even with body weight, you send consistent signals to your body to build lean muscle, burn stored fat, recover faster between workouts. That's why squats are a cornerstone in nearly every strength program, from athletes to bodybuilders to rehab patients. And if your goal is to change body composition, say goodbye to fat and hello to tone, squats help trigger the biological cascade that makes it happen. This doesn't mean you'll become bulky overnight, but what it does mean is that squats can reboot your metabolism, increase daily calorie burn, and help your body become more efficient at using energy. Think of them as your hormonal reset button, and the more consistently you press it, the better your body responds. 3. Squats build core strength and postural control. Many people think of squats as just a leg exercise, but in reality, squats are a full-body, core-dominant movement. Every time you squat, especially with good form, you activate abdominal muscles, spinal erectors, pelvic stabilizers, deep core muscles. This activation leads to improved posture, spinal alignment, and balance. In fact, regular squatting can reduce common postural issues like anterior pelvic tilt, rounded shoulders, lower back pain. When your core is strong, your entire body functions better. Movements like walking, running, and even sitting feel more stable and aligned. And let's not forget the injury prevention benefits. A strong core reduces the risk of falls, herniated discs, and muscle strain during daily tasks. In short, squats don't just build legs. They teach your body to move as one powerful, balanced unit. And that transfers directly to both athletic performance and daily movement efficiency. So if you've been ignoring your posture or struggling with chronic back tightness, daily squats could be a simple, accessible solution. 4. Daily squats improve flexibility and joint health. Flexibility and mobility are crucial for both performance and pain-free movement, and squats improve both. The act of squatting, especially deep squatting, mobilizes your ankles, knees, hips, and lower back. These joints often become stiff due to long hours of sitting or sedentary lifestyles. Daily squatting can help reverse these effects by opening up tight hip flexors, stretching the calves and Achilles tendon, increasing lumbar spine flexibility. A lot of people experience chronic tightness or pain in the knees, hips, or lower back, often caused by muscular imbalances and poor mobility. Squats help restore the full range of motion in these joints, strengthening them in a functional way. That's one of the reasons ULLC cultures that regularly deep squat, such as in Asia or Eastern Europe, with fewer joint-related problems as they age, and maintain the full natural range of motion throughout life. Flexibility is not just about touching your toes, it's about being able to move pain-free through everyday motions. Squatting every day conditions your joints and soft tissues to move smoothly and efficiently, which protects you from injury and improves quality of life. 5. Squats boost circulation and detox pathways. Here's a lesser-known benefit of squats. They help detox your body. The rhythmic motion of squatting acts like a natural pump, increasing blood circulation, lymphatic flow, nutrient delivery to organs and muscles. Better circulation means your body becomes more efficient at transporting oxygen, delivering nutrients, and removing waste products. The lymphatic system, which plays a major role in immune health, depends on muscle contractions to move lymph through the body. Squats are one of the best ways to stimulate that flow. Regular squatting may lead to increased energy, clearer skin, faster recovery, improved immune response. You don't need a detox tea. Your body already knows how to clean itself. It just needs a bit of movement help. Squats provide that help. 6. Squats don't hurt your knees. Poor form does. Let's bust a major myth right now. Squats are not bad for your knees. It's one of the most common fears people have. But science tells a different story. A properly executed squat strengthens the muscles and ligaments around the knee, increasing stability and function. Research shows that even deep squats do not harm knee cartilage or ligaments. If done with proper technique, here's what good squat form looks like. Keep your chest up and back neutral. Don't let your knees cave inward. Keep your heels grounded, no lifting. Your knees can go forward, but stay aligned with your toes, descend with control. Don't bounce. If you're dealing with pre-existing knee injuries, consult a physical therapist or qualified trainer before doing daily squats. But for healthy individuals, squats can actually help prevent knee injuries, not cause them. Your knees are designed to bend. Don't be afraid to use them. Just make sure your form is solid. 7. Squats improve speed, power, and jumping ability. Looking to improve your athletic performance, or just feel faster and lighter on your feet, squats can help. Squats train the explosive power of your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, the exact muscles responsible for sprinting and jumping. Studies have shown a direct correlation between squat strength and improvements in running speed, vertical jump height, agility. Even if you're not an athlete, this matters. Improved power translates to faster reflexes, easier stair climbing, less fatigued when walking or hiking, more confidence in your body's movement. Squats also condition the tendons and ligaments in your lower body, making your joints more resilient to sudden movements, twists, and falls. So whether you chasing personal bests or chasing your kids around the yard, squats give your body the quickness and responsiveness it needs. Squats enhance balance and coordination. Balance is something most people don't think about until it becomes a problem. As we age, our balance naturally declines. This increases the risk of falls, fractures, and long recovery times. Daily squats are one of the best ways to keep your balance and your independence intact. Squatting activates stabilizer muscles in your feet, ankles, knees, hips, core.
Nice.
This trains your nervous system and muscular system to work together more effectively, a concept known as neuromuscular coordination. When your stabilizers are strong, you're less likely to trip, fall, or get injured in sudden movements. This benefit is incredibly important for seniors, but it applies to all ages. Squats give you better balance in the gym, on the field, and in everyday life. Think of it this way: strong legs equals fewer falls equals longer, healthier life. Final thoughts. What happens when you squat every day? So, what happens if you commit to doing squats every single day? Here's what you can expect: stronger legs and core, improved flexibility and mobility, better posture, faster metabolism, hormonal balance and recovery boost, enhanced coordination and balance, injury prevention and joint protection. Squats don't just work, they work holistically. They make your body move better, feel stronger, and perform with more ease, both now and decades from now. And the best part? You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, you just need your body, a little space, and consistency. But remember, proper form is key. Start with bodyweight squats, gradually progress to resistance. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Whether you do 10 squats a day or 100, every rep counts. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried squatting daily? If so, what changes did you notice? More strength? Better posture? Less pain? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part of our movement series. Also, don't forget to check out part 1 of this squat series. The link is on screen now or in the description below. Thanks for watching, and keep squatting. Your body will thank you.